I just got back from the hospital. If I am I saying, oh, my stomach hurts, it's because my stomach feels like it's about to explode. Alright, oh, my stomach. Hope you guys want to go through this. Grandma, we're not gonna have fun. Oh my god, my stomach is in. What the? Grandma, I ain't gonna lie to you, but you're ugly. Oh my god, if I'm barely talking. Oh. Can't hurt a cat. It's child abuse. Try to get me now, fool. I remember Grandma. Is this Papa's ashes? Surprised I haven't got a new man yet. Okay, Grandma, if I pour this down. Slam dunk! Sorry. Ooh. Okay. Where's the books at? Move. 1, 2. Let's go. Do I have any attacks? I've had so many animals in my videos, bro. Oh my god, bro. I should have been playing something. What the? I should have been playing. I should have. My god, I can't even talk. That's embarrassing. Go. Grandma, bro, what the? What's you gonna do about a fool? Yeah, I'm a cat. Hey, I get to be. Oh my god, I should not be playing VR right now. Like, I'm actually. Oh my god. What the? Hey, Fishy. I will not hurt you, bro. I promise you. Where'd the fishy go? Hold up. I think my mom's trying to put my cat to bed. Cut. This is what I mean when I hate fish. Oh my god, my stomach is hurting so much. I'm telling you guys are lucky I'm making a video. What? I wonder what it will be. Alright, Grandma. Grandma, your house is boring. Oh ho 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 ho. Pee? Alrighty. Alrighty. Now. Oh. No. So, okay, can't you? Fat cat. Hey, I do get to drink my pee. I mean his pee. Grandma, I feel like when people come here to my videos, if they see me playing cat, they want you to die. So, step 1, protect myself. Grandma? And Grandma, I think I just did something really bad. Oh, what did you do? Please, Grandma. I'm a kitten. You can't get me. That's child abuse. Now, awful. You're gonna get it. Are you gonna hurt a dude that just got out of the hospital? Yeah. Think about that. I have an idea. Okay, Grandma. Time for a daily dose. Up. 100. Sorry. Grandma, no, I gotta watch my movie. Oh. I wanna see. Whoopsie. Hey, Grandma, I have a shield. Protect me! I'm telling you guys, I live in New York and I got bit by a radioactive spider. This is Grandma's life savings, right? Oh, here we go. shouldn't be doing this. Please, no, 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 please. Sometimes I just need my controller to lag. Save me. Ugh. Okay. Watch this. There's a piano. Wee! Oh. Let's go see this piano. I saw in a video. I'm not gonna try no security. Is that good? How's it play metal too? I messed up. Really? Aw. I'm telling you, bro, I'm freaking Spartan. Oh my god, my stomach is so. What you looking at, Grandma? I want word. Yeah, dying. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Okay. Hang on. This is it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Alright, subscribe.